Hey friends, welcome back here. This is the new sneakers got today, and also this is a short review of the strong outfit, so you can look. This one is the Nike SB Dangalo sneakers, strawberry. It's really messed about the name. The colors of the shoes with the red and the green. The body of the strawberry is the red color, and about the sleeve is the green. So for this piece is really match of its name. You can have a close look. I like red color very much because red color can bring me back. Would you also like the red color or something else? Of course, different people, different love. Some people like the simple one. Some people like colorful one. Just depends on your personal love. Also, this style of suits very good to match colors. Thanks for seeing you next video. Bye bye.